patrons, my lions, my fly babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today is Friday. Can you believe it? So, what are we doing today? Well, I'm going to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and learn how to finally love yourself by doing these things. Routine, basic weekly plan, zone cleaning. Routine. We're going to start with our morning routine of getting up, brushing our teeth, washing our face, combing our hair, moisturizing our skin, putting on a little makeup, if you choose, jewelry if you choose, perfume if you choose. Did I say fix your hair? Get your clothes on, put your pajamas in the dirty clothes or in the drawer or wherever you keep them. Make your bed, wipe out the sink, swish out the toilet, go to the kitchen, put the dishes away, start some coffee or tea, and start breakfast. Happily go into your family and wake them up and help them go through make their bed, brush their teeth, wash their face, comb their hair, put on their clothes, pajamas away, wipe the sink, hang their towel, come to the kitchen, have breakfast. Now there may be little things that you're doing. Maybe you're doing a quick morning prayer. Maybe your kids are feeding an animal. Whatever it is in the morning, maybe you have them emptying the dishwasher as a team. Whatever it is that gets the job done in a quick period of time, right? That's what you want to do. This is not a major job. This is a little simple as breathing thing. It's what we do every morning, just like flushing the toilet. All right, next thing we're going to do is kids off to school, either at home school or on the bus or walking or riding their bike, or you're taking them, whatever. And then you're off to work, if you work, off downstairs to your office, off to the office in a building somewhere, or you're at home doing your at-home routines and jobs. So if you're staying home, you're going to go straight to the laundry. Start your laundry, go through an inch of paper. You know the routine. Those are two routines. And then you're going to go right to step 2 of your 3-layer cake, your basic weekly plan. Friday is a fun and easy day. It is car and purse day. Remember, the key to a clean car is your key. When you turn the key and take it out of the ignition, that's your reminder to look around and pick up your stuff and have your kids pick up their stuff. That's your job, Mom. You have to oversee, inspect what you expect, clutter check, all those things. So stay there. You can do this. Remind everybody, if you think of it before you get home, before you take the key out, hey, we're going to do a quick clutter check of the car, right? Or we're going to pick up our stuff. Mom, too. I have to get all this stuff. In fact, I might need your help, right? And then come in the house. So when you do your clutter check of your car, or rather your car and purse day, you're going to go look at it and go, yay, I just have to shake the mats. Great. You know, and then maybe if you want to, if it maybe once a month, I don't care. It's your call. Take it to a car wash and wash it. Or wash it yourself. I would never choose to do that, but if that's something you love to do, knock yourself out. All right, don't detail though. You're not a car detailer. You're just a car washer if you do that. All right, next thing is purse. Let's dump our purses out, shake them out, get all the trash out of them, put everything back in, or change purses, my favorite thing. Get a new, fresh purse. Change purses. Wipe this one off, put it away. Maybe put some newspaper in it. Maybe you keep newspaper or some kind of paper, unprinted newsprint in one purse, and then when you empty this one, you put that paper in it and stick it up there, tissue paper even, just to keep it filled out. And then you fill up your new purse, your quote, new purse. Throw the trash away, put the things that migrated to your purse away, all those little minions that creeped into that purse during the week get put away. All right, if you're at work, you're going to go to work and you're going to think about what's happening with the last weekly home blessing item. So you're going to delegate that, and then you're going to think about zone 2. So when you get home, you know what you're going to do in zone 2. We'll talk about it in a second. You can also take your garbage bag that I encourage you to keep in your desk at work to your car and empty out anything that needs to come out. Hopefully you're using the key technique, the key to a clean car, and you can't dump your purse at work, obviously. You could dump it into one of those bags, I guess, and then just dig through that and put things back in. There's an idea. Or you can just pick things out, you know, and keep the things where you want them, rearrange it. Hopefully when you go home tonight, you can just switch your purses for the weekend. Okay, next. What's next? Next is, oh yeah, zone 2. So zone 2, what are we going to do today? Well, we only have 4 things a week to do in our zone. This is provided you're not having to declutter. If you're having to declutter, you're not doing any of this deep cleaning. You're decluttering. But honestly, An hour of honest to goodness decluttering, that's 15 minutes a day. If you don't reclutter, we'll get your kitchen so much better, if not completely done. Remember, we're just decluttering what we can see. We'll get to the cabinets and the drawers and under the sink and the pantry and the refrigerator, all those things later. We just want it to visually look decluttered before we start deep cleaning, okay? So today we're on step 4 of our kitchen. Let's look in the junk drawer today. So I want you to rearrange your junk drawer and throw out the trash and think about what you really want to keep in there. Batteries, scissors, tape, screws, whatever, you know, put them in there and say that's where they belong. So when you use the scissors, that's where they go. When you use the tape, put it back in the junk drawer. You could change the name of the junk drawer to something else if it pleases you. Okay, after dinner, we're going to do our after dinner routine. And then, so if you work, you're going to come home, start your laundry, start supper, and then work in your kitchen. And then everybody's going to do our after dinner routine together and our before bed routine. Remember, an after work or after school or after nap clutter check, and another one before bed as part of the before bed routine for yourself and your family, inspecting what you expect, and checking your planner twice a day. That's it for today. I hope you have, oh, I forgot, today's Friday, it is date night. So when you do your before bed routine, you're going to actually do your before date routine and enjoy your date with your sweetheart without kids. That doesn't mean that you have to leave the house. It just means that it's an environment where it's just the two of you. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful.